Hello guys, today I want to show you how to use Figma when you're creating the floor plan of exhibition. So in some cases it's more handy than using Adobe Illustrator. For example, in this floor plan I have basic elements, booths. So every of them have a number, squares, dimensions. So it's, for example, 3 and 4. It's 12 square meters. So I can choose any booth, then change the number, change the square meters, for example 21, and also change the height, so it's like a weight of the booth. For me it's 700. Yep. So it's very handy. Also you can see if I changing the dimensions, everything is on the right place in the center and in the corner. So it's very useful. Also I can change the walls, so you could imagine that these two booths have one wall, but you could add the right. So here it is. If you create some floor plans, you could imagine how handy these elements, and I want to show you the masterpiece. So it is not clipped, it's just lines, and text objects. So this one is switched off, and when you switch on it could change the color. Also on the top I use the pattern. It have some images with the title option, so it's repeated because I don't know how to use the vector objects. Maybe I could use vector objects, but I don't know. It should be the limited amount of them, so maybe 100. I think the title and image is more efficient. So I will create a link of this. You could explore the components and use it for yourself. Thank you.